Hi, I'm Scott with Ranney Blair Home Renovations and Additions. Today we're at a recently completed kitchen, and I'd like to take you through some of the features that we've completed here that you may want to incorporate into your own kitchen. First, we have a sink, a very functional sink with a cutting board you can slide back and forth to make cooking and cleaning a much easier process. Now, if you follow behind me, you'll see a nice, clean, unobstructed backsplash. What we've done here is we've put the switches and outlets in the bottom of the uppers to keep this a clean backsplash. Now, the absolute crown jewel of this kitchen is a laminate, which means double thickness of the countertop, waterfall edge. Now, when you have double the thickness of the countertop, it means it's really heavy. So when it's really heavy, we have to support the floors, so we just have to take that into consideration in our projects. Now, lastly, if you'll follow me down here, you may be wondering, hey, where's the fridge? Where's the freezer? Well, my answer is, it's right here, blended seamlessly into the cabinets with a fully integrated panel-ready fridge and freezer. Now, if you want to tackle this in your kitchen, what we do is come out and measure and make sure we have the wall space for this, because they typically are a little bit wider in space. Thank you for watching our video. Please check out more at ranneyblair.com.